this video we're gonna see how to set up an API for generative AI like ChatGPT or Azure or anything for free. Okay, so this is absolutely free. There will be no hidden cost in it. Okay, so let's see how to implement it. Okay, so for this you have to go to this Cloudflare website. Okay, so here you need to sign up to and create an account here. Okay, so you need to create an account by giving email and password in here. Okay, now I have created an account and I'm on the dashboard. Okay, dashboard of Cloudflare. So let's click on this explore all product. So in here there are a lot of options given here like analytics, domain registration, and everything. There are a lot of workers. Okay, like this. I think you might have know it already. So if you see it in here, if you go down, you will see this AI. Okay, this AI tab. If you click on this, there would be workers AI. Okay, so let's click on this. Okay, now you will see these two options. You could build and deploy Llama to worker, or you could just use the workers AI for absolutely free. Okay, so there are a lot of options here. There is speech to text AI, text classification and anything. Okay, so let's click on this. Okay, now we have to create a token in here. Let's click on this, open a new tab. Okay, let's create a token by clicking here. Okay, so let's click on this create token, and here you have to select this workers AI beta. Okay, so let's click here and just keep everything as default once and click on continue to submit. Okay, so now just click on this create token. Now you will be given a token here. Okay, so let's copy this and I'll just paste it in the notepad. Okay, this is my API. So now if I go here, let's reload this. Okay, now you have this, click on this again, and if you see it here, there are two codes. Okay, one this one is on the terminal. Okay, you could run this on the terminal, and another one, it is for JavaScript. Okay, if you are using JavaScript frameworks, you could use this, or if you are using any Python based frameworks like Flask or Django, you could use this one. Okay, it uses library request, nothing else. Okay, let's copy this code from here and let me paste it on my Google Colab. Okay, so now I have copied this, and we have to give the API token. Let me copy this from here and let me give API token. Okay, I have given the API token, and you have to add f here to format it on the variable. Okay, so now we have this code, and if I run this, let me run this. I think I already connected, so let me run this. It will give a response right away. Okay, so let's copy this and paste. Let me go for JSON formatter. Okay, so let me go with JSON formatter, and if I paste it in here, you can just see it has given me the output like a story. Okay, here in this prompt, I have just asked for you are a friendly assistant that helps write stories. This is a default prompt given by them, and they asked it to write a small story about llama that goes on a journey to find orange cloud. Okay, this is just a sample one. Let's give it like another prompt. Okay, so let's change this. Okay, or expert copywriter for e-commerce. Okay, so now I have changed the prompt, and also I have to change the prompt here also. Now I have given a sample prompt right here. Okay, if I run this again, now it has given me an output. Okay, so let's copy this and paste it in here. Okay, so currently we are on this collab, so it doesn't format it right away. Okay, like it has given a product title, and also it has added the new lines on the output. Okay, if you click, if you print it on the system, it could have shown this, but since we are on this collab, it is not showing the new line. Okay, now as you see here, there are a lot of new lines, and also it has given us the product title and product title here, and the product description here. Okay, so likewise it works. And one more thing is, you could just change this model also. Okay, now we are using currently llama 2 7 billion data chat. Okay, so if you want to change that, you could just go here, or you can choose this any one of them. Okay, so currently we are using this one, and let me change this to this one. Okay, so Mistral. So let's copy this and change it in here. Now I have changed it, so let's run this again. Okay, so now if you see it in here, there is a product title here, and also it has given me a product description also. Okay, a long product description, so it is in a JSON format. Okay, so it is different from the previous one, since we have used different model. Okay, so likewise you could use any model from here, and also they have this text to image also, the stable diffusion. Okay, there is automatic speech recognition model also. There are a lot of models here that you can play around. Okay, so one more thing I want to mention is that currently it is on the beta stage. Okay, like as is mentioned here, they have mentioned the workers AI is in beta version, so the workers AI cannot be used on the production. Okay, it cannot be used in the production, but this one is free for now for the personal use. Okay, if you want to use it in production data, I think they might cost us for that, but for now it is in beta and it is free, and you could use this for your personal uses. Okay, so you don't have to go to ChatGPT every time, or bot or anything every time. You can just automate everything using this one for your personal use. Okay, so this is how you use this API for free. Okay, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.